Your rearview mirror just got smarter than your ex. 3-channel 4K dashcam beast with night vision. Welcome to the future of driving surveillance with the Wolfbox G900 Tripro, a triple-channel 4K rearview mirror dashcam that's basically the James Bond of car tech. Front, rear, and interior? Covered. Day or night? Crystal clear. This beast rocks the Starvis 2i MX678 sensor, delivering true 4K front recording, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior footage that makes blurry, grainy cams cry in shame. No more blind spots, no missed license plates. This mirror doesn't just reflect, it remembers. Oh, and it listens too, with voice control that responds quicker than your favorite voice assistant, but without the sass. Let's talk night vision on steroids. Purecel Plus tech and a massive rear sensor mean your night drives now look like HD movie trailers. While others record in low light, the G900 Tripro serves you rich contrast, bold detail, and clarity in pitch-black conditions. The 3-channel recording ensures you capture everything from the soccer mom cutting you off to the raccoon doing backflips in the rearview. And yes, it records interior audio, too, so if your backseat driver wants to critique your driving, it's on the record. Forever. Legally. Use responsibly. Who has time to wait for laggy Wi-Fi? Nobody. That's why this cam flexes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you smoother app connections, instant video previews, and faster file downloads straight to your phone. With the Wolfbox app, you can review, rewind, and share footage like a pro editor. And with hands-free voice control, you're the boss. Tell it to record, snap photos, or start saving footage, all without lifting a finger. Think of it as your loyal digital co-pilot, only less talk, more tech, and zero judgment. Extreme heat? Freezing cold? Shaky roads? The supercapacitor laughs in the face of harsh weather and unstable voltage. And when your car's parked, the parking monitor kicks in like a security guard on Red Bull. Hardware kit sold separately, keeping watch when you're not around. Built for cars, trucks, vans, and buses, this dashcam doesn't discriminate, it dominates. Plus, the rearview mirror mount is secure, solid, and subtle, no ugly bricks on your windshield. This is premium protection that blends right in, like a ninja with 4K vision. Wolfbox gets it. You want value, speed, and zero hassle. That's why the G900 Tripro ships with a pre-installed 256GB card, GPS antenna, mounting gear, cables, and clips so you can plug in and roll out. No extra spending. No last-minute runs to buy storage. Just open, install, and feel instantly smarter than every driver around you. With stellar customer support, 12-month warranty, and rave reviews, this isn't just a smart buy, it's a genius-level upgrade that makes cheap dashcams look like toy binoculars. Protect your ride. Record the road. Rule the rearview.